Yeah, today concept very important concept, static properties and non-static properties. Java first concept, static properties and non-static properties. Static properties and non-static properties.
నాకు అది నేను స్క్రీన్ నాకు కనిపించట్లేదండి.
Right.
అది
Today concept, static properties and non-static properties. 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 Before going to this concept, what do you mean by static? Static means common. For example, static means common. Static means common. So wherever you go, there are two categories of people. One is boys, other one is girls. Wherever you go, there are two categories of people. One is boys, other one is girls. Category is nothing but class. There are two classes of people. One is boy class, other one is girl class. There are two categories of people. Category is nothing but it is a class. There are two classes of people. One is boy class, other one is girl class. For example, I am taking one boy class. All the boys are having some common properties. That properties is called static properties. All the boys are having some common properties. That properties is called static properties. What are the properties all the boys commonly having? What are the properties all the boys commonly having? Number of hands and number of legs. Number of hands, number of legs. Number of hands, number of legs. For example, number of hands, number of legs. These are the properties. Static properties. Number of hands and the number of legs is the static properties. All the boys not having some common properties. That properties is called non-static properties. What are the properties all the boys not having commonly? What are
Name.
the properties all the boys not having commonly?
Name.
Name, shabash. Name is a non-static property. And the next, height.
Color.
Height, color, weight. So these are the non-static properties. Right. Properties is over. Next, static actions. All the boys commonly do some actions. That actions is called static actions. All the boys commonly do some actions. That actions is called static actions. All the boys not do commonly. That actions is called non-static actions. All the boys not do commonly. That actions is called non-static actions. What are the actions all the boys commonly do? Breathe, action. If it is action, we need to write with function bracket. And sleep. These are the static actions. Non-static actions. All the boys not do commonly. That actions is called non-static actions. Play, sorry, drink and smoke. I'm giving drink. Drink is a non-static property. Okay. All the boys will not drink. Smoke. Smoke is a non-static action. Drink and smoke is a non-static actions. And for static properties, number of hands, number of legs. Non-static properties, name, color. Static actions, breathe and sleep. And non-static actions, drink and smoke. Drink and smoke. So this, using these properties, today we will write the properties and the actions. Today we will write the program. Before going to this concept, if you want to learn Java, you should know. If you want to learn Java, you should know three things. You should know three things. You should know three things. If you want to learn Java, you should know three things. First point, if you want to store the non-static stuff, compulsory memory location required. If you want to store the non-static stuff, compulsory memory location required. This is the first point. If you want to store the non-static stuff, compulsory memory location required. I'm talking about only non-static. This is the memory location. ఇందులో non-static properties is name and color. Non-static properties name and color. Name, color. Non-static action, breathe and sleep. Drink and smoke. Non-static actions, drink and smoke. Right. First point is, if you want to store the non-static stuff, compulsory memory location required. So this is the memory location. So I'm giving name new. I'm giving name new. I'm giving name new. Second point. Second point. If you want to add the property, if you want to add the property to object memory location, object to memory location, or get the property from object to get the property from memory location, reference name required. Reference name required. If you want to add anything to object memory location, if you want to get anything from object memory location, compulsory reference name required. If you want to add anything to object memory location, if you want to get anything from object memory location, reference name required. If it is non-static, object creation is very, very important. Third point, object creation. Third point, object creation. Object creation. Object creation. Object creation syntax: class name, reference name equal to new class name. Class name, reference name equal to new class name. Class name, reference name equal to new class name. For example, class name I am taking boy. Boy B1 equal to reference name as your wish equal to new boy. So enough. If you know this only one line enough. Class name, if it is only, I'm talking about only non-static. If you want to learn Java, you should know three things. First point, if you want to store the non-static stuff, compulsory memory location required. Second point, if you want to add the property to object memory location, or if you want to get the property from object memory location, reference name required. Third point, object creation, class name, reference name equal to new class name. New is a memory location, and B1 is a reference name. So for example, class name is Akhil. What is the object creation? For example, class name is Akhil.
Akhil A1 equal to new Akhil.
Right. Hyderabad.
Hyderabad H equal to new of Hyderabad.
Yes. India I equal to new India. Computer C equal to new computer. Pen P equal to new pen. Book B equal to new book. Okay. So USA U equal to new USA. So that is the object creation. Syntax is class name, reference name equal to new class name. Class name, reference name equal to new class name. Right. So we can write the program now. Once again, observe properties and actions. Static properties, number of hands, number of legs. Non-static properties, name and height. And static actions, breathe and sleep. And non-static actions, drink and smoke. Okay. Now we can write the program. First, only just for general knowledge purpose, properties we will discuss. Actually no need. Only general knowledge purpose we are discussing properties. How to declare static properties. How to declare static properties? Public, static, number of hands, data type, number of hands, data type,
Integer.
integer into number of hands. Just like we can declare. Number of legs, public, static. If it is static, we need to mention static. Public static into number of legs. Right. Next. Next. How to declare non-static properties. This property is only for general knowledge. How to declare non-static properties. Name and color. Public, string. Name is a string. String data type. String. Name. Next, if it is static, we will write static. If it is non-static, no need to write anything. Simply I write public string name. Public height. Data type.
Integer. Float.
Float. Integer also we can take. Okay, my height is 6. So we can take 6. Float height. Float is decimal value. If you want to store decimal values, we will use float. Next. How to declare static actions. Public static void. If it is function, we will write like action or function. We can say, we can call function or action. How to declare static action? Public static void breathe. Curling bracket open. System dot out dot
Out the printer.
println breathe. Bracket close. This is the function declaration. Okay. How to declare the function concentrate? Public static. Public, if it is static, we need to mention static. Public, it is static function. So static void. If it is function, always write void. Breathe is a function name. So system dot out dot println. This is the function body. This is the function body. Next. How to declare non-static actions. How to declare non-static actions. Public. If it is static, we need to mention static. If it is non-static, no need to mention anything. Public void drink. Function bracket required. System dot out dot println system dot out dot println drink. Semicolon close bracket. Like we can write. Okay. How to declare static properties? How to declare non-static properties? Only for general knowledge purpose. This properties only for general knowledge. GK. we will concentrate only on functions. If it is static, we need to mention static. If it is non-static, no need to mention anything. This is observed carefully. Okay, right. Now we can write the program. Go to Eclipse. And taking new one, new workspace I am taking. Close this welcome window. Now go to Project Explorer. Take the new project, Java project. Click on next. Give the project name is Hyderabad. Click on finish. No. After creating a project, we can get to SRC JRE. Right click on SRC. We can take the new class. Class name is boy I am giving. BOY, boy. Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. Windows, preferences, general, appearance, color and fonts, Java, color and font, edit. I'm giving 18. Okay. Apply. Okay. This is under class. We can call declaration part. If you want to declare anything, we will declare here. Same. Once again, I will write here public static properties. I am writing only for general knowledge purpose. Public static int number of hands. Okay. Next, public static int number of legs. Static properties over. Non-static properties. Public string name. Public float float I2. This is for general knowledge purpose. Comment GK. General knowledge. Only for general knowledge purpose we discussed. Our main intention concentration on only functions or reactions. Public static void breathe. SYSO control space breathe. Copy. Control V. Control V. Control V. Breathe. Next one is sleep. So right here sleep. These are the both two static functions. I wrote two static functions. I want to write two non-static functions. I want to write two non-static functions. Drink and smoke. drink and smoke, drink, smoke. So now observe carefully. Only for this line purpose we discuss this concept. Breathe directly I can write here. Why? Because it is a static. And sleep also direct I can write here. This is also static. Okay. Next, if I write drink, it will show error. If I write drink, it will show error. Why? Because it is non-static. It is non-static. So if it is non-static, what we need to do? Already I told you now. If it is
We
non-static,
should
what we
not
need
write,
to do?
not write in static.
If it is non-static, what we need to do, madam? Already I told you just now, just 5 minutes back. If you want to learn Java, you should know three things. Class name, reference name equal to new class name. We need to create object. How to create object? So class name boy, B1 equal to
Yes.
new boy, B1 dot drink, B1 dot smoke, B1 dot drink, B1 dot smoke. So simply finally here we can say only one line, madam. If it is static, directly we can write in the main method. Sir, if it is non-static,
Yeah.
we need to create the object. Only enough. If it is static, directly we can write in the main method. So breathe and sleep is a static, directly we can write it. But if it is non-static, directly we can't write. We need to create the object. How to create the object? Class name, reference name equal to new class name. Class name boy, reference name B1, as your wish, equal to new boy, B1 dot drink, B1 dot smoke. Save, click on run. Whatever you wrote, that logic we can get in console. Breathe, sleep, drink, smoke. No, breathe, sleep, drink, smoke. Sir, what is which one is static, which one is non-static? I can't understand you, sir. So I don't know, sir. So whatever it is, if you take static, I am writing one function A. It is a static, and B is a static. Both are static. Here I am writing another function C, non-static. D also non-static. So directly A directly I can write here. Why? Because it is a static. B also directly you can write here. I can write here. It is a static. C I can't write here. Why? Because it is non-static. We need to create the object with the reference only we can write. Using ABCD also we can learn Java. Java don't know Telugu, Java don't know Hindi, Java don't know English. Java knows only logic. If you write static, it will treat as a static function. If you're not writing anything, it will treat as a non-static function. Here I am not writing anything, so it is treating as a non-static function. So that is the concept of static properties and non-static properties. So this is the first class, compulsory you should practice now. Your homework is, this is not very easy. Why? Because today morning, one of the batch, they learned this concept only. They taken nearly 2 hours. Class name is car. Static actions. Static actions is run slow, run fast. Run slow, run fast. Next, non-static, sorry, non-static actions. Not properties. Properties leave it. Non-static actions. AC and airbags. Write the program. AC and airbags. Static action, run slow and run fast. Non-static actions, AC and airbags. Write the program. Today homework. This is homework. Just observe carefully. This is not very easy. Whenever I am writing it, you can feel it's very easy. But whenever you are writing, that time you can get number of problems. Okay, not very easy. So it will take minimum. If you want to write this program, minimum it will take 1 hour. just concentrate. Java is, we can't by heart Java. So Java is totally based on logic oriented. So it is, if you write static code directly, we can write in the main method. Only simple, this entire concept will says only one line. If it is static code directly, we can write in the main method. If it is non-static code, we should create object with the reference only we can write. That is the only one line. If I tell only one line without this example, you can't understand. That's the reason we have wrote this, we have taken these functions and we wrote like this. Okay. This is the today's session. Just after this 1 to 2 minutes, I will convert this file and I will send you today file, and yesterday file I will send you now only. And after this class, sir, parallelly I will send you software also, sir. Okay.
లైన్ లో ఉంటాను.
Just after this call cutting, just I will keep the stop the record mode. Wait.
Please.